everyone, welcome to my channel. I'm painting Hyun. Today I want to show you how to paint trees simply. So I don't want any sketch today for painting. So just wet the paper and grab some sap green mix, ultramarine dip, and first try very watery color for the tree's leaves. So this is for the first layer for the tree, and take some little bit, get some dark and thick density of color. So I mixed the sap green mix, ultramarine dip, and add on the dark area. So first I wet the paper so these colors will be spread by themselves. Okay, just to tap some tree leaves, make some circle or very dark leaves for the using the tip of the brush. I guess more darker bluishy green color. So look at my brush. Some brush stroke wiggled and like this, using the tip of brush or the some part. Now I'm using the side of brush, right? Okay. I'm trying to some branch for the tree, but then actually tree branch is the brown color, but now I'm trying to bluishy dark green, but then it's okay. So next I got some brown mix ultramarine dip. So got some very dark the colors. So try trunk. Now I'm trying to very simple tree paint, kind of doodle, right? Okay, more draw tree trunk. Okay, change the brush and try some leaf for the tree leaf. Get some very thick greenish blue. So I final touch up for the tree leaves. Yeah, just tap around the branch. Still this paper wet, so you can mix and draw. Make it look natural looking. So touchy for the leaves, drag and some tap tap tap, brush stroke like this. This tree we didn't try in detail anything any stroke, but then sometimes we don't want to paint in detail, just to try kind of doodle, and we had enjoyed that painting time. So don't get any stress, just to try sometime. This color is cobalt turquoise. So you can use any color, but don't use only the green or brown color. Open your imagination and you can mix any colors. Why not? Okay. And finally, I want to draw this trunk with the very thick and strong density of color. So make sure the trunk size and color shape like okay, all done. Finally I want to draw some birds. Okay, all done this painting. Why don't you try again a similar paint tree or something different? Okay, I hope you had a good time with this doodle and have a good day. See you next time. Bye.